Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by turning your phone's hotspot on and setting a simple SSID and password you can type quickly. Once done, make sure the hotspot broadcasts on 4 GHz if your Ps5 struggles with 5 GHz, and disable any VPNs or data saver modes that block tethering. Also check your carrier allows tethering and that you've granted the phone permission. This avoids hidden blocks. Now leave the hotspot screen open so the Ps5 can discover the network immediately. You'll go to Settings, then Network, and choose Set up Internet Connection. This gets you straight into Wi-Fi selection. Select your phone's hotspot SSID and type the password exactly. Small mistakes are common. If the Ps5 fails to get online, switch to manual network settings. Keep IP automatic, set primary DNS to 8, 8, 8, 8 and secondary to 8, 8, 4, 4 to bypass DNS issues. Make sure proxy server is set to do not use. That prevents unnecessary routing errors. You'll finish by running test internet connection from the network menu and observing download, upload, and NAT type. If speeds are poor or connection fails, restart both devices and toggle the hotspot off and on so the Ps5 re-authenticates. Make sure your phone doesn't have AP or client isolation enabled, as that can block device-to-device traffic. If problems persist, try a different hotspot device or a USB tether, if your phone supports it, to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.